So now that we've set up our OneDrive account, we've created folders, we've uploaded files, the next thing to do is to link the files from our OneDrive to our VLE. And in this first video or two, I'm going to show you how to link both files and folders so that students and other staff can only view them, that they cannot edit those files. So let's start. I'm going to go to Documents, click on it. I'm going to go to Firefly Files, and I'm going to select this document here. Now you notice when I move my mouse over it, a little square appears in the top right-hand corner. That's very important because if I now click on this square, I now get a whole range of tools that are here, and the one that I want is Share. Now that's one way of doing it. If I right-click on the file, I could also go to Share there, but I quite like going up to here. So let's click on Share and see what we get. Well, the first option is I can invite people to my OneDrive by sending them a message with their email address and they can look at that file. But I actually want to post a link onto the VLE. So what I really want is get a link. So click on Get a Link, and here is my link. It looks absolutely monstrous. Let's click on Shorten Link. That looks slightly better. So now I'm ready to copy this link and paste it into Firefly. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go into Firefly, and here's a page that I've got made up already, and you can see here is my sentence. I'm going to paste my link underneath it. So let's go to Edit the Page, and let's just push this down a line. Now, to add a hyperlink, we use this linking icon up here. So click on it, paste in my link, tick the box, so it opens in a new window so I don't lose the VLE, and press Done. And I can guarantee you that that is awful, that actually nobody would particularly wish to go to that, and it doesn't look at all helpful at all. So what is the better way? Let's delete this. Well, a much better way, of course, is simply to write a word and convert that into a hyperlink. So if I type in aims of a VLE, and then underneath it, or next to it, I'm going to put in brackets Word doc. I could even put the file size. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the word aims of a VLE, go back to our link, paste in our link this time, open in a new window and press Done. And that looks much better. Let's click Done again to see what it looks like in real life. There it is. Now, if I click on it to open it, notice two things. Well, notice nothing at the moment. Here we go. OneDrive Live is just about to open up. And here it is. So what do you notice? One, it's opening up in OneDrive, but it's not opening up in my account, which means that I don't have to have an account to be able to look at the document. Notice also I could download it as a Word file. I could add it to my own OneDrive. I could even print it. So the other thing is that it is read only. I cannot edit it. I can only look at that document. And that's hugely important. So actually I can keep my original ideas and not worry that somebody is going to edit them or change them. So that is how you share one document. You can also share documents inside entire folders. So you can share a folder. So let's go back to OneDrive and let's just close this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to share this whole folder. Now, just before I do that, make sure I untick this, because if I tick this, you'll notice that both are ticked. So it's going to cause some odd things with the sharing. So let's untick that, keep this ticked. I've got my share bit, click on it, and same as before, click Get a Link, shorten the link, copy the link, go into OneDrive. Here it is there. Remember I said that it opened up in a new window. Can you see there's the original one? Let's go into Edit Page. And then, just as before, I'm now going to write folder of key files for staff training, something like that. And I could put 4 files. I could even put read only so they know they can't change them. Highlight the title, go up to my link, paste my link in, open it in a new window, so I still keep the VLE, press Done, There it is. I'm going to press done again, and let's see what happens this time when I click on the link. So this time you are taken to the folder in your OneDrive. Again, can you see that I don't have to have an account? And here are my 4 files. And what's important is, can you see that they say view only? And there's not just Word files there, but there's also PowerPoint. I click on my PowerPoint. I think it's unfortunate it's only one slide, but I could actually play my PowerPoint online if I wanted to. View it full screen. So that is how to link to files and folders and make them view only. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing, but this time give people editing rights.